Hello everyone, my name is Ashman from class 8D. I am studying in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Mankapur Konda. Finally, I make my alternate projects based on science subject, and the topic of my project is about national parks in Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. And the mentor is Mr. Artu Kumar Rai sir. He is a science teacher. So let's start about Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is the northeastern state of India. Arunachal means mountain of rising sun in Hindi. The state border with Assam in the south, Nagaland in the east, and Burma Myanmar in the east, Bhutan in the west, and Tibet in the north. Itanagar is the capital of the state. Hindi is the main spoken language of the state. It borders the states of Assam and the Nagaland to the south. Its international border with Bhutan in the west, Myanmar in the east, and the disputed border with China in the north at the MCA Mohan line. Itanagar is the state capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest of the 7 sister states of northeast India by the area. Arunachal Pradesh shares 1,129 km border with China Tibet Autonomous Region. So it is about the Arunachal Pradesh state. And it is the country in India. United Territory, 21 January 1972. The state is established on 20 February 1987. Capital Itanagar. District 25. Government of Arunachal Pradesh is Governor B.D. Mishra. Chief Minister is Pema Khandu. Legislation unicameral 60 seats. Parliament constituency Rajya Sabha is 1, Lok Sabha is 2. Area is total 83,040 square meter. Area rank is 14. Population is 2011 census. Okay, and the total is 1,382,600,000 and rank is 27th. And density of peoples is 70 kilometers square. So now national parks in Arunachal Pradesh. There are 8 wildlife sanctuaries, 1 audit sanctuary and 2 national parks in the state of Arunachal Pradesh, covering an area of 9,488 square kilometers. There is no such threat to these protected areas by the dispersed population. The state is 13 per square kilometer. Namdapa National Park. One of the chief national reserves is the Namdapa National Park in Arunachal Pradesh, which lies under the shadow of snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas. The third largest national park in the country area-wise, Namdapa National Park lies at the altitude varying between 200 meters to 45 meters. The national park is a haven of rare and endangered animal and plant species with one of the most vibrant biodiversities in the country. Mauling National Park. The wildlife park is named after a mountain peak near Mauling, which is situated in the Upper Sing district and is spread across 480 square kilometers of the area. Has Seng River flowing on the west and Sidang, Subong, Semong and Krobong River on the eastern ends. There are tiger, panther, elephants and oak deer, python, barking deer and sambal deer, buffalo, red pandas which could be spotted here. Okay, so it is about Meghalaya. So Meghalaya is a state in northeast India which literally means house of clouds. As of 2016, it has a population of 32,11,474 and is spread over an area of 2,020 square kilometers with a land to width ratio of about 3:1. Meghalaya was formed by carving off out 2 districts from the state of Assam and the United Khasi Hills and the Dancha Hills. And the country is India. Formation 21 June 1972. Capital is Shillong. District 11. Government is Government Satyapal and Chief Minister is Congress Sangam. Last state unicameral 66. Parliament constituency Rajya Sabha is 1. Lok Sabha is 2. High Court Meghalaya High Court. Area total 22,429 km square. Population is 211 census and total 2,964,207 and the rank is 2nd. And the density of people is 130 km square and 340 square meters. So it is about the Meghalaya. So now national parks in Meghalaya. Nok Creek National Park. Nok Creek National Park. The Nok Creek is located about 45 kilometers from the town of Tura, which lies in the hills of Garo. The park is well known for sheltering the Hollock gibbons, a rare species. A vast number of wild elephants can be found in the park and is well known for the park in the land of Acme Man, who is known to pay frequent visits. Beside the park extended fauna, it is also home to various kinds of useful plants which are found especially in this region. The place is renowned for its well-kept forest tracks along with the beautiful Asian limestone covers found here in the Nok National Park. Okay? So Balpakram National Park. Balpakram National Park is the located about 45 kilometers from the town of Tura, which lies in the hills of Garo. The park is well known for sheltering the Hollock gibbons, a rare species. A vast number of wild elephants can be found in the park and is well known for the park in the land of Acme Man, who is known to pay frequent visits. Beside the park extended fauna, it is also home to various kinds of useful plants which are found especially in this region. The place is renowned for its well-kept forest tracks along with the beautiful Asian limestone covers found here in the Nok National Park. Okay? So Balpakram National Park. Balpakram National Park. The National Park of Balpakram is known for its immense ecological and geological value. Apart from being known for the unique of the red panda of leopards, languorous, boars, and the rarely found golden cat. The word Balpakram has the literal meaning a place where there are perpetual winds. It is located roughly 167 kilometers from the Tura. So you can see the image also of the Balpakram National Park. So it is a Sidju Bird Sanctuary. Sidju Bird Sanctuary. The Sidju Bird Sanctuary is located near the Simsang River, which flows alongside with the park. A good variety of the endangered species of birds such as the Siberian ducks can be found here near the river, which makes them for cinematic view in particular. The bird sanctuary is a music must visit since you won't find any other sanctuary like this that only caters for birds. The grey hornbill and the peacock's pigeons are just a few more birds you can find here. Non-Gilliam Sanctuary. Non-Gilliam. The sanctuary of Non-Gilliam is spread over an area of about 29 square kilometers and is famous as a breeding ground for the various rare species including reptiles, animals, birds and other fauna. The sanctuary is located on the Meghalaya district and of Raipur, and you will find here a wide variety of fauna such as the Bengal tigers, black bears, leopards and the many more other animals such as the necked hornbill and the brown hornbill that are the extinct. Baghmara National Reserve Forest. Baghmara Reserve Forest, located in the middle of the South Garo Hills. The Baghmara Reserve Forest is very close to the town of Baghmara. In this forest, you will discover a wide range of flora and fauna including wild elephants, languorous, rare pitcher plants, along with some wildflowers. You have also witnessed the Garo community use here in their unique way. So this is it. Thank you very much.